Alright guys, so customer brought this truck in. All he wants us to do is just wrap this front bumper black. He also wants us to wrap something in the back, so let me show you. He wants us to wrap this. We're gonna make a little line going all the way to the end and make the little curve right here. We're gonna take off the toolbox to make it easier for us, and that's pretty much it. It's gonna be an easy job, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we already lined it up. As you can see, we already put some tape. I went ahead and scuffed this part already and put some body filler. He had the customer had like a really big dent right here, so I'm just letting it dry, and that's pretty much it. Same thing on the other side, so let's just wait until it dries. That we're done papering and taping. But I already sprayed the adhesion promoter, so we're just gonna let it flash so we can start shooting the Raptor. So let's just wait. Alright guys, that's the first coat. We're just gonna let it dry for about 45 minutes to an hour and give it the second coat, which is the texture. So we'll just wait. Alright guys, so that's the second coat. We're just gonna let it dry. As soon as that's done, we're gonna start taking off all the paper and all the tape. So let's just wait. Just take a look around. And here. This is right here, look at this. Perfect line. Go on this side. Perfect line, look at that. All the way around, came out perfect. Customers can be satisfied. Just look at that texture. Alright guys, so that's it for this one. Like always, thank you for the support, and like and subscribe.